What's going on, Mixonites? I'm Nick the Mixon, and calves comes in all different shapes and sizes. Some people want them big and others want them small. Well, if you're about to watch this video, you're going to have small calves. Now, don't expect a lot of these videos from me because I want big calves. The Mixonites have called and I have answered. So make sure you consider subscribing to this channel and turning on your push notifications so you don't miss the next workout. Your calves requires a lot of attention, so if you neglect them, you won't see any progress. Calves are actually one of the top 3 muscles people tend not to work out simply because they think they can get smaller calves by simply walking. That is not always the case. Eating a balanced diet is key to losing weight and also slimming up your calves. Combine that with some high intensity interval training and you will be a fat calf burning machine. In this video, we're going to go through a series of different exercises. Each exercise is going to last 20 seconds, give you 10 seconds to rest in between those reps. Make sure you bring your A game. All you need is a jump rope for this routine. If you don't have one, that invisible jump rope will work just fine. Alright, so the first exercise is going to be the calf stretch, starting off with the left leg. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1, and let's rock it out. Alright, you're going to keep your knee behind the biggest toe with that front leg going forward. The back leg, though, you want to keep your feet shoulder width apart and trying to keep the heel onto the ground. Right, elongating that calf muscle is definitely going to help it slim up. About 5 seconds left, and we're going to switch legs from here. Alright, so we're going to switch to the other side now, starting with the calf raises. Our calf stretch to the right side. Same concept is going to apply. Let's go. Alright, so one thing to keep in mind though, even though we're stretching the calf, we're still keeping that core engaged, okay? Keep your shoulders back and dig down deep into that calf muscle. About 10 seconds left. Alright, so the next exercise is going to be the run in place. Engaging the core. Alright, with the run in place, okay, the goal here is to make sure you stay off your heels, okay? Keep the calves engaged as much as possible. You have 10 seconds left. Bring your knees up as high as possible, moving your arms too. 3, 2, 1, and break. Next exercise is going to be the mountain climbers. Another good calf exercise. 3, 2, 1. We got 20 seconds on the clock. Shoulders right over your wrist. Bring your feet as close, or you bring your knees as close to your chest as possible, as fast as possible. Halfway there. Three seconds left. And break. Jump rope is next. If you don't have a jump rope, remember, grab that invisible jump rope and let's get to work. 3, 2, 1. And let's go ahead and jump. Engaging the core, keep your shoulders back, staying off the heels of your feet. We're just staying on our toes in this workout. 10 seconds left. Alright, and take that break. Alright, so you got 20 seconds to drink water, beat the heat, do what you gotta do. I'm over here in my Sub-Zero outfit. Drop that rope. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your push notifications. We have the wide squat calf raises next. Okay, so you're going to drop down to a low squat position. Come down as low as possible. Try to keep your heels off the ground if you can. You're going to stretch your calves up to the sky. Okay, stretch your knees up or bring your heels up as high as possible. Coming down without trying to put your heels onto the ground. Balance will be everything, so if you need a wall, grab one. And take a break. The next exercise is going to be the pigeon toe calf raises or the inward calf raises. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright, so you're going to face your feet towards each other in a comfortable position, of course. You're going to bring your legs, stretch your calves up as high as possible, trying to keep your heels off the ground. 5 seconds left. And break. Alright, so next exercise is going to be the squat and calf raises. It's going to be good for the quads, but also attack those calves too at the same time. The key here when you do these types of exercises, everybody, is that you want to pause when you're in that extended position with your calf muscles, okay? It's gonna help elongate those calves, making them slimmer in the process. We're at the halfway point. Engage in the core the whole entire time, and make sure you keep your knees behind the biggest toe. We're still following that same format. Break. Fast feet is next. You're really gonna feel this with your quads, so if you're not prepared for that, you are now. Let's get ready to start in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Remember, you're staying off the heels of your feet. Your toes may start hurting, they might start cramping up because you're not comfortable with this workout just yet. But as you progress throughout your training, this will get a lot easier and you're able to knock out a lot more reps. Stay with it. Take a break. All right, low plank and knee dip is going to be next, okay? So if you have a mat, this will definitely come in handy if you don't want to touch the ground with your forearms. All right, you're going to go into that low plank position. Keep your shoulders over your wrist. All right, you may notice my butt is tilted up just a tad bit so I can get my knees to drop down to the ground. Keep your calf stretched out the whole entire time. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, so now we're gonna do that wide squat and calf raise next. Balance will be everything here. If your heels touch the ground, that's perfectly fine. As you get stronger throughout your training, your calves or your heels of your toes won't touch as much. Engage in the core, keep yourself upright. Stay in that low squat position. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, we're back at it. Pigeon toe calf raises. You have this. I'll let you know what time we're going. 2, 1, and go. Halfway there, keep pushing. 3, 2, 1, and break. Squat and calf raises are next. Let's go. Halfway there. Pick up the pace. 3, 2, 1, and break. Fast feet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Sound like we tap dancing out here. The closer you put your feet together, the faster it's gonna, the more calories gonna burn with this workout. 2, 1, and break. Low plank knee dips. Let's go. Halfway point. Pick up the pace. You should have a lot more flexibility in your calves now. 3, 2, 1, break. All right, drink water, stretch out what you need to stretch out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We have the alternating downward dog next. 3, 2, 1, let's go. We're gonna assume a nice downward dog position, trying to bring your head right between your arms. You're gonna stretch your calves as low as possible, bring your heels closest to the ground, okay? This is gonna really elongate those calf muscles. Also hit them hamstrings up as well. Engage the core too. 2, 1, and break. Calf raises. Simple enough. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Remember, keep the heels off the ground. Stretch and pause for a second and come right back down and get right back to work. Halfway there. Engage the core too. I couldn't figure out what to do with my hands. 3, 2, 1, and break. All All right, we have the outer calf raises next. We'll start this in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All right, so your feet are gonna be at a 45-degree angle. Remember, your heels are still off the ground because the calves are always gonna be constantly engaged. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right, we got the sumo squat and calf raises next. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All right, so with the sumo squat and calf raises, you're gonna come down to a low squat position, and then when you come up to that peak position, you're gonna raise up on those calf muscles, okay? It's okay if your knee heels hit the ground to keep your balance, but if you don't have to, don't do it. 3, 2, 1, and break. Calf hops are going to be next. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Feet gonna be shoulder width apart. We're staying off the heels of our feet. Always constantly keeping those calves engaged. 10 seconds left. We're halfway there. I was listening to really good music right there. Don't ask me what. Take a break. All right, we're starting back over. All on you, all right? Pick up the pace. Get that flexibility in there. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1, and break. Calf raises. All right, let's do it. Seconds left. Pump them out. You have 5 seconds left. Break. Outer calf raise is going to be next. All right. I know it's burning. We're almost there though. 3, 2, 1, break. Sumo squat and calf raises. All right, let's go. Halfway there, extend all the way to the top. 5 seconds left. Break. Last but not least, the calf hops. Let's go. Halfway there, pump them out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. Good job. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the push notifications. Share this video if you know someone out there who is trying to get slim calves, and let me know how you progress. You know, do this video at least 3 times a week, and make sure you stretch properly too as well. I'm Nathan Mixon, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.